It's time for another set of TINIEST EDC gears. Get ready to free your pockets. And we've got a pair of accessories for those who might be interested in multi-tools and organizers. The TINIEST EDC gears shouldn't necessarily cost you a fortune. The most popular GDC Zip Blade, Thinking Egg, and Heroclip Mini you'd imagine. Plus, we'll show you the easiest new way to charge your phone with a keychain. There's no denying that a standard keychain bottle opener is convenient to have at that moment, but the rest of the time you end up with a clunky, unwelcomed addition to your keys. This super small keychain bottle opener is the size of a penny, made from grade 5 titanium, and can hold up to 164,000 times of its own weight. Go ahead, clean up your keyring and beer opening game with Pry.me, your super small yet super strong bottle opener. It doesn't have the iconic wave shape of most keychain openers or the wide rectangular opening of larger openers, allowing it to be super small and to disappear into your keys. Pry.me uses a hook and pull technique, which uses the provided keyring along with the opener to remove the cap. It does take more force than a typical 3-inch keychain bottle opener like Brew Soldier due to the compact nature of the product. It's a fun bottle opener and a great conversation starter for sure. This PowerStation keychain is a miniature power bank that connects to your keychain, belt loop, or bag with a carabiner. It's a 1200 mAh battery that can give your mobile device hours of power in an emergency situation. This power bank is designed for USB-C devices and has a built-in USB-C cable. The cable is hidden beneath the keychain attachment, which saves space on the device. The charger has priority plus charging to provide power to a connected device before the PowerStation recharges itself when it's connected to a power source. There is a forward light LED indicator that shows how much life is left on the PowerStation. The Mophie PowerStation keychain comes in simple packaging with Mophie branding and an image of the product on the front. It's noted on the front that there are 4 hours of the battery included in the battery and that it's a USB-C connector. The 4 hours of battery time is estimated for the Samsung Galaxy S9, 3 hours for the Google Pixel 3, 8 hours for the Palm. The A7 memobottle is the most compact in the memobottle collection, holding 180 ml. It's only one of the few bottles that can fit inside a clutch, blazer, or your pocket at a festival. Armed with the A7 memobottle, you will be sipping in style. Always sip responsibly. With an elegant form and minimal appearance, the A7 memobottle will easily become part of your daily routine to stay healthy and hydrated. The transparent exterior turns ordinary H2O into a mesmerizing and playful work of art that also encourages you to increase your daily water intake. Add a vitamin boost to every sip by placing a few blueberries or strawberries inside. Your A7 memobottle is paired with a black and white lid, all encased inside Premium's recycled packaging, a perfect gift for yourself or a loved one. Holding 180 ml, the A7 memobottle allows you to stay focused and be more productive. It's the only reusable water bottle you'll need, which in turn will help reduce single-use water bottle consumption. Here's a set of 6-in-1 tool with awesome animal design that'll be a cool accessory on your keyring and help you to fix things on the go. You know, fix the bike, turn the screw, cut something. There's a tool literally for every case since it has a number of openers for letters, boxes, and even bottles. The best part is that the device is durable and looks so cool, you can use it as a decoration. Despite its larger size, the Aer City Sling 2 wears more comfortably than the original, though the fidlock buckle tends to snag inside the back panel. Aer has sprinkled a number of new features all over the City Sling 2, ranging from noticeable to subtle. Whether they're big or small, those changes add up so much that we think this version stands head and shoulders above the original. For instance, there's now a top handle for carrying the sling by hand. It's just a simple flat nylon strap wide enough to grab onto, but it's a hint as to what the City Sling 2's double life is. The second hint is the new back panel, now featuring openings on both sides where the strap can stow into. Simply undo the buckle and stuff the straps inside. There are 2 things to keep in mind though. First, the strap is quite long, so stowing them inside the back panel noticeably bulks up the rear. Second, the two halves of the magnetic buckles can lock themselves together if pushed close enough inside the back panel. Once they're locked in, you have to pull the strap to one side, first to undo the buckle, then pull the other end to completely free both ends. Also worth keeping in mind is that stowing the straps away gets trickier as the sling gets packed more tightly. Gerber knows being prepared isn't a state of being so much as a philosophy. This is why having the right tool on hand is about little things that make the difference. Sometimes the job's as simple as cutting twine or slicing open a box, but try those things without a blade enough times and you'll appreciate the compact efficiency of the GDC Zip Blade. Part of Gerber's daily carry collection, this Zip Blade is the bulldog of utility knives. Squat enough to fit in the palm of your hand, it has enough muscle to strip wire, cut cardboard, and slice through the toughest of clamshell packing. The quick release clip lets you remove this tool with one hand, leaving your other one free to steady a load or keep things aligned. When open, a frame lock keeps the compact 0.68-inch fine edge blade secure so there's no wobble when you're powering through a cut. A built-in fob lets you attach it to the zipper of your jacket or bag so it's close at hand when you need it. In a time when cell phones, television, and social media give us constant stimulation, we wanted a reminder to slow down and enjoy the present moment. That's where the Thinking Egg comes, a simple, attractive tool for practicing mindfulness, keeping calm, and inspiring thoughtfulness. Solidified from molten lava, lava stone has grounding metaphysical properties that strengthen and stabilize in times of change. Composed of copper and zinc, brass has been said to have healing properties that boost the immune system, while also increasing melatonin. White howlite is said to help alleviate an overactive mind, anxiety, and stress, while also promoting strength and self-discipline. Aiding in mental acuity and focus, bamboo has been used for thousands of years to bolster creativity and inspire artistic expression. These beautifully designed spinners by MecArmy have been precision engineered to offer an immersive spinning experience. They're not only addictive but also extremely therapeutic. They are gadgety, they're insanely fun, they're cool, and you have to have one. The ceramic bearings produce a spin of quite extraordinary smoothness. Give it a good push, and it'll spin for many minutes. Each spinner comes with tiny embedded vials of tritium gas, which glows in the dark, producing a mesmerizing effect as the green and blue vials spin past. Can you balance one on your fingertip? It's available in 3 body colors: blue, black, or just pure titanium. The Heroclip Mini carabiner is optimized for light and compact travel. It's small enough to fit just about anywhere and strong enough to carry your stuff without breaking a sweat. It rotates 360 degrees, folds at 2 joints for maximum versatility, has a rubber tip so whatever you're hanging will stay put, and holds up to 40 pounds. Opens into a 3-in-1 clip, the hook secures your gear and keeps it tethered, upright, and off the ground. Secures to almost any surface you can hang your backpacks, bikes, helmets, bottles, buckets, cables, and cords, diaper bags, garden hoses, and more. When not in use, the hook folds securely onto the clip, so it gives you ultimate security. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you check out the following videos here. Until next time, see you guys later.